Hello everyone, myself Komal. Today I am going to present recipe. My recipe name is fruit custard or fruit salad. So let's start. Ingredients. Ingredients are 1 cup sugar, 2 cups milk, saffron, cardamom, custard powder, dry fruits and fruits. So let's start. Method. Turn on stove and put on pan and add milk and boil it 2 and 5 minutes. And after add sugar, saffron and cardamom and stir it properly. After add bowl and add milk and add custard powder and mix it well and put in pan and stir it properly. After add chopped almond, cashew nut and pistachio. Together add chopped apple, banana, chiku, mango, pomegranates and stir it properly. On off stove and put in bowl and garnish with cherry and put in fridge. Take it after that, and my yummy and delicious dish ready. You can eat. Thank you.